to the next Java tutorial. Today we will be talking about hash maps and a few other things probably. So first of all, this is how you have to start up a hash map. So you have to specify what you want the keys to be and what you want the value to be. So I'm having string and integer. You can't just use int because that is not an actual class. So it has to be a class linked to another class. So then what this is actually used for is, so if I do map.put, then I put, so the string 1 is linked to that integer 1. So now if we print it out, so if we print out our map, then it's going to say that 1 is equal to the value 1. So then if we do print out map.get 1, there we go. So if we print it out, it prints out 1. So this is useful for all sorts of things, and I can even talk to you about an example of what I used it for personally. One of the things, at least. So in my 3D game here, so if I go to here and just open up this info file, so if we see this, so it's saying that the string C, my Java program is loading this in, but see here in my thing it's saying CA is equal to chess-less A, which is just an OBJ file. You don't have to know what that is because this isn't a 3D game tutorial. So it's just doing that. So then what I can use this for in my 3D game is I can use, so I have a menu that's popped down, that can pop down, and then you click on the string. If you click on the string CA, then it will select the top chest model. So I used hash maps by that because then it has the string on a button, so then it gets the value from the hash map of that string, and then I can edit the rotation and stuff like that. So it's useful in a lot of different things. You can come up with your own way. So if another nice function in here is map.get or default, and what this does, so if we do so if we normally did 2, it would just return null. But if we do this, because null might give an error in your program if something's using it when it's supposed to be like an integer. So this is what this is used for. Like if you're doing something from the hash map divided by something else, it's going to give an error because you're trying to divide, for example, null divided by 2. That's going to have an error in your program. So what this is used for is it gets 2, so it can get something from the hash map, and if that thing already exists, it returns its value, and if it doesn't exist, it just returns this value here that you gave it. So that's useful to prevent errors in your program easily without having try catch, because that's not a great thing to do if you're especially in loops. So that is pretty much hash maps. You can have any value linked to any other value. It's had here, so that's useful. Okay, so that is basically hash maps. This was a short video, and I'll be posting another one shortly afterwards. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Bye!